What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video guys, we're going to be talking to you about what we ordered. We've been having trouble keeping inventory like kind of together. So we ordered some poly bags, some clear ones to keep them all together. We're going to show you how we package them up, make them look nice and pristine like this. And yeah, we're super excited for them. So if you guys are interested in them, we'll have the link down below for you guys to grab the same ones. And yeah, let's get right in this video. Okay, so now that you guys are back from the intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do thrifting, retail arbitrage, we do a lot of selling on eBay. We've been documenting for the past 6 months now, all on YouTube, so you should definitely check it out. But today's video, we're going to be talking about what we ordered. We ordered some poly bags because we really wanted these, honestly, and they were pretty cheap. They were only, what was it?
$24 for 400.
Yeah, so for $24 for 400 of them on Amazon. So like we said, there's a link below if you guys are interested in these. But yeah, we're super excited to show you guys these because they actually helped us out tremendously, because we were just folding our clothes that we had. Well, for instance, we got a bunch of things for you guys. We were folding our clothes just normally, and then we were just put them in a bin, you know? And we'd have to go find a clothes, and then you'd pull out the clothes, and everything would get unfolded.
Yeah.
It was very annoying, very frustrating. Yeah. So we were like, we gotta do it. We have to get some clear poly bags. So we did, and now they're going so well. So we're gonna show you actually how we fold them, how we put them in, and then we're gonna talk to you some benefits of them, and then we're gonna show you how our setup is for our inventory. Okay, so now we got the Canon set up there and the GoPro set up here. Give you guys 2 angles. We're, like we said, we got 4 different sizes, so I'm gonna show the Canon these.
6x9. So that's really good for our like tank tops and little shirts that we have.
And we forgot to tell you guys, they are resealable.
Yes.
So you just peel this part off, flap it over, it stays stuck like that, and then you can peel it back up. And I mean, you'd have to either put something over the seal. Yeah, like here, I'll show you. So you see how you can just peel that back up. So if you need to get into the bag, it's pretty nice. Yeah. So like, since we don't have any thank you cards in any of these bags, we did order more of those soon to come.
We ordered some.
And we're gonna put some in here once we get them all. So, and if it doesn't open like we want, then we'll probably just tape it to the outside. It still works the exact same.
So we had 6x9 for the little small one.
6x9.
And then for the next size, it was 8x10.
8x10.
That's really good for like our medium size shirts.
Yeah, so
like
this shirt that I'm going to be doing.
Yes. And then it was 9x12.
9x12.
And then 11x14.
11x14.
That we're excited for, to see if some of our coat jackets.
Yeah, we're super excited to see what we can fit into those ones. So not bad. We can fit a lot of things. We got 100 of each of them that comes in this pack. And I'm going to show you guys what I would do. So for a long sleeve shirt like this, I would just fold at the backs. I'm gonna try to use the second to smallest bag because I believe 8x10 because I believe it'll fit in there. So you just make a couple folds like that. I'm gonna fold it one more over. There's my shirt, my long sleeve shirt. Take it. It's literally so easy, guys. You just shove it in the bag. I completely forgot about the GoPro, honestly. And then you take it, if I can, you peel this little thing off, just like so, and then I'm just trying to be perfect with this, it doesn't really take this long, and there you go, all packaged up, all sealed. Super nice because now it's just, you can throw that in a bin, and when we need to go find it, we're not gonna unfold anything else. They're all just stacked on each other like so. So we go, oh, we need this shirt down here. We'll just grab that out.
We've even made labels with these Avery labels. I'll show the GoPro, hopefully it focuses. But they're super cool. Just because I like them because they're not like plain and white, so they stand out on the shirt and stuff, you know. And then we just write like that, and that one is a Levi's California Republic tank top, whatever size it is. And then we can just look at that really quickly. And yeah.
So we also did bring another example for you. We got some pants. So these are some Lucky brand pants that we actually did just pick up.
Out for that.
And you can source it for $1 all day. Here's another, we were in the pants aisles for like the first time, honestly. But I found some Lucky brand jeans. So made in the USA. So not bad. I'll give you the inside tag. So they're a lot bigger too.
Yeah.
And not bad.
Nice.
We got them for $1, so
yeah.
Pretty cool.
40
White
by
oak.
32.
Yeah, so some nice denim jeans.
Nice.
So I'm just gonna fold these over once more like that, and then I'm gonna grab, I think yeah, second to large bag. So what size is this? It's the
I forgot.
8 by 10?
9 by 12.
9 by 12.
Just used 8 by 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to do this not under the table so you guys can see this. So I got 2 cameras, so if you can't see it there, you can see it here. If you can't see it there, you can see it there.
I don't think that bag's big enough.
Oh yeah. 100%. Shove it in. Beautiful. And then, yeah, it's a little over the top, but honestly, I'm just gonna smush that down because
A nice smoosh.
one, I think it looks nicer when it's completely compacted, not have any loose edges. So I wouldn't want to move a size bag up.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be taking this out definitely because this is just a test for you guys, so I'm not too worried.
No, I was planning on keeping them in there.
You might just stay in here.
I was ready to write the labels.
Yeah, so just like that, pants are in there now. Just like that, pants are in there now. So yeah, I mean, if you want to write the labels, show them how you do that. I get all this out of the way. Okay, so that's how we package it all up pretty much. Kristina's just gonna rip her things off and throw them on. And then, even for some more reinsurance, because this is my, yeah, because this can stick, but we don't want it to fall off. So, take a little piece of tape.
It was not my idea.
Throw it right on. That bad boy is never coming off now. We never have to worry because sometimes what I'm saying is if you're digging through there, this little sticker might just get ripped off, and then if we have 2 white shirts, we don't know which one they are. We'd have to go through and so this just makes it 10 times more easier. You really don't have to look which one it is because you can just see right there. Lucky brand jeans, men's, size, whatever, so you know. So pretty much that was how we package them up. We just throw them in a tote box after that.
Yep.
And we're gonna talk to you guys about some benefits of that. Like I've been saying the whole video, nothing else comes undone, like literally, like unfolded I should say, in the box. So that's super nice because you can pick through everything. And then another thing off the top of the head is so much easier for shipping because we just take this, throw it right in a bag, throw it right in a box, and it's good to go. We don't have to deal with it. It saves so much time in the long run to pre-pack your stuff. We are firm believers of that. We've been doing it since pretty much the start.
Yeah.
And another thing that it's really beneficial about is it just looks so much more professional, guys. Just look how nice that looks. It looks so much more professional. So that's another big benefit of it, is just it looks so professional. You really can't like say that this doesn't, because it just looks so nice. We're so pleased with them.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah.
And with the pre-packing and stuff, being that it's clear, you can obviously see through it. So we have some poly bags that aren't clear that are packed up, that it's like, I mean, we send them out and I'm confident that it's the right item, but sometimes I'm like,
yeah,
could be wrong.
We'll show you guys, if you are interested, we'll show you guys that at the end when we are showing you how we keep everything. But yeah, I mean, we started out, we were putting them all in just a not clear poly bag, and we were writing SKU numbers like A1 through whatever.
Yeah.
And I mean, it wasn't bad, but it's just we don't 100% know if that's the item that it is. So it's really nice now because we know these are the jeans, that's the shirt, that's the colored whatever. So we're super happy that we got these. So if you guys do want to get these, definitely check them out. Link in the bio. They are so helpful. It's only $24 for 400 bags. Super nice. They're resealable.
And what we were finding when we were looking for poly bags is like 100 of them cost $24. And we were like, what the heck? So then, and that was on eBay. So then we went to Amazon, and that's where Martin found the 400 deal.
Yeah, the four different sizes for 400. That was so nice, because we were just gonna get one basic size, like a big size, but now that we have all these little ones, like we put so many just tank tops in the small ones, and then like we said, we have the jackets for the big ones. We don't have to just use something small, something that could fit in small. We don't have to waste a whole big one. Super nice. So now what you guys have been waiting for maybe is we're gonna show you actually how we keep inventory and show you it all. So we'll go right into that.
Alright, so this is how we had it before. Maybe a little more folded because we were keeping track of it better, but it literally was just in a big bin, all the clothes everywhere. Like if we wanted to get to the bottom, you literally would be unfolding all of this stuff in here. So it was a hot mess. Hot mess.
So now, show them how we have it. We did one bin yesterday, so we still got this bin and that bin, but
it was actually like 2 bins worth that we fit into this one bin.
Because since they're so compact now, we can fit more into just the one bin. Super nice.
This is how it all looks now.
Oh, it's so much better. So now if you need a shirt, you can pretty much even just take them out and throw them on the floor if needed. It's not going to unfold them or get them dirty or anything.
You can literally throw them anywhere.
Super nice.
So nice. And actually this is, don't show this. And that is what they looked like before. So, I mean, we have a list of what C6 is, but who's to say we actually put C6 inside of C6's?
I did. I'm the one who packed all of those. I know this should be alright. But that was pretty much our video. Let's wrap this up. So thank you guys for watching. Like we said, you can find the link below for the poly bags. We definitely encourage you guys to get them because super helpful, and they can just really help your inventory, keeping stuff clean, and
especially if you have a lot of clothes and a lot of inventory too, because we did. We needed it.
So that was our video. We hope you guys enjoyed. That was pretty much the benefits of poly bags and I guess pre-packing your stuff right after you get it listed. So we hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions or if you want to share some love with us. And like always, go crush it, guys. Peace.